Good day, YouTube. This is just a bit of a look at Zorin OS. And what is it? So basically, Zorin OS is in fact, an Ubuntu-based Linux distribution designed especially for newcomers to the Linux world, really. So really focuses on simplicity there. It has a Windows-like graphical user interface and many programs similar to those found in Windows. So you've got graphics, games, internet, browsers, office utilities, all of that there. It's also comes with an application that lets you run some Windows applications, provided that they're not too big. Certainly not any Windows-based games. The distribution's ultimate goal is to provide a Linux alternative to Windows and let Windows users enjoy all the features of Linux without any complications. So again, really focusing on simplicity there. Now let's load this one up. This is actually the latest release, Zorin OS version 16 there. Now this is running on the GNOME desktop environment, which is tweaked to look a little bit like something you might expect from any Windows system there. It's got the heads-up display and the options to search for Word documents or any sort of apps that you want there. Moving on, the file manager is pretty much just also a tweaked version of the GNOME files. So here we go. It's got its nice little, really simplified but really beautiful look. I really quite do enjoy this one here. Let's see what else we've got. If we were to have a look at the kernel, so it is running the latest Ubuntu kernel that Ubuntu really serves up, 5.11. So great for the latest laptops or desktop machines. So for hardware compatibility reasons there. And we also have a look at the actual usage here. So in terms of CPU, not exactly idling out. It has only been up for about 6 minutes uptime there, so it might be running something in the background. Although no, it's cooled down there. And in terms of RAM, so not the lightest Linux desktop environment, to say the least. It does run at about 700 to 800 megabytes of RAM straight off the bat on boot up. Like I say, only 6 minutes into it there. But it's all about simplicity for your grandma, for your grandpa, your mum or your dad, maybe something like that there. Certainly a high recommendation for any newcomer to Linux there. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I do hope to see you all there in the next one. Cheers.